Hey guys, see that buko? Let's go get it. It's still very early here in the mountain, but I'm feeling thirsty for coconut water, so here I am trying to climb up the coconut tree, and let's see if I can do this. OMG, I can't do it, guys. It's hurting my feet. It really hurts. Ouch. Okay, let's go home and request back up. As you can see guys, we already have unlimited buku and it's my turn to open this. Actually, it's not easy for me to do this because I am left-handed and the itak is for right-handed, but I am going to open this by hook or by crook. Oh, by the way guys, please forgive me for talking English in this video even though my grammar is not good. But I have to do this because I have a foreigner viewer from Canada. And now, let's concentrate again to our buko. And as you can see, it's almost open. And do you know guys that coconut water is very good for your kidney? You just have to drink it every morning on empty stomach for 3 consecutive days and kidney problems solved. Wow, the long wait is over. It's finally opened and our coconut water is now ready for drinking. Let's go drink the round one, guys. Mmm, so yummy and refreshing. And now let's go for round two. Thank you for watching.